In this video, we will learn how to create realistic shadow with path blur in Photoshop. So first, remove the background of your product. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Click on the image menu. Go to adjustment. Click on exposure. Reduce exposure -20. Move this layer down. Click on the filter menu. Go to blur gallery. Click on path blur. Uncheck centered blur. Increase speed 350%. Increase taper 20%. You can change the shadow direction by clicking here. Click on the OK button. Reduce fill 85%. Thanks for watching the video.